In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a jewelry Shopify website. This part of the setup focuses on customizing the look of your online store theme, especially the hero area where your main image can help communicate your jewelry style right away. If you follow along carefully, you will be able to place a jewelry image on the front of your site and also set up a featured collection section. To begin, open your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, find and click the option that says Online Store. This is where all theme and storefront settings live. After you click Online Store, you should see your current theme settings and an area where you can make edits. Take a moment to make sure you are working with the theme that your customers are actually viewing, since updates are tied to that active theme. Next, click Edit Theme. This opens the theme editor, which lets you adjust specific sections and templates without needing to know code. You might notice a preview area on one side and a settings or template area on the other. Keep your eyes on the options related to templates, because that is where the Hero section is located. Now, under Template, click Hero. The Hero is typically the top section of your homepage and is often the first thing visitors see. Choosing the Hero template ensures you are editing the correct part of the page. Once you select Hero, the editor will load the elements for that top area, such as images and text blocks. After that, click Image. This step is how you target the specific image element in the Hero section. You should see the image area highlight or show selection controls, which confirms you are editing the correct element. If you do not see any highlight, click again on the image area until it becomes selected. This matters because the next step depends on having the right image block chosen. Then, select your jewelry image. Depending on your theme editor, you may be prompted to upload an image or choose one that is already in your library. Use a clear, high-quality photo of your jewelry so the hero area looks sharp and professional. Also consider how the image will appear on different screen sizes, since many visitors will view your store on mobile devices. Once you have the correct image selected, click Done. This saves your selection within the editor and applies it to the Hero section. At this point, it is a good idea to glance at the preview so you can confirm the image appears where you expect. If anything looks off, you can return to the image element and adjust again, but usually this is the moment where the updated Hero image becomes visible. After setting your Hero image, you will move on to adding featured content to the page. Under Featured Collection, click Add Section. Featured collection sections are useful because they help customers quickly browse popular or curated products. When you click Add Section, the editor will typically show a list of section options you can include. Next, add multi-column. This option is typically designed to show items or content in a clean, organized layout, often across several columns. Choosing multi-column helps you present multiple product highlights or key information in a way that looks balanced and easy to scan. After you select it, the multi-column section should appear in the layout beneath the Hero area or within the Featured area, depending on your theme structure. Finally, click Save. Saving is important because it ensures all your changes remain applied to your live storefront preview, depending on your theme settings. After you save, take a quick look at the storefront preview again to confirm everything is displayed correctly, including your Hero image and the new multi-column featured section. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.